The year is up and running as you kickstart your real estate investment for the year. This is a special offer for you to achieve your financial goal in the year 2023. Did you know that we paid over 5 billion naira in the year 2022 and we serve over 5,000 clients? So you can see there are a lot of smart people took advantage of real estate cashback last year and they've actually made a lot of return on investment. So we've extended our special offer, that is 35% return on investment till 15th of January 2023. So if you're here, maybe you're my client or prospective clients that you are still in this, you are procrastinating, I will do it today, I will do it tomorrow. This is the time to invest in real estate cashback, because if you do so right away, you will enjoy 35% return on investment. By 15th of January 2023, we will reduce the return on investment to 30%, because it's a special offer, and even is because some of our clients couldn't meet up with the December also. We extended it to 15th of January 2023. So my clients, if you don't need to wait till this offer ends, 5% on your money is a lot of things. And don't forget how this thing runs. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Olashile Davis and I help people create wealth through real estate. This is what I know how to do best. So let me be your realtor for year 2023 and let me quickly talk you through in this real estate cashback. Real estate cashback is a trading product owned by Real Estate Cashback Cooperative. So it's a trading product that we look for prime location to invest, and at the end of the day is either we build to sell or we sell the land there. So we call on our investors to come and invest in all these prime locations. So at the end of 12 months, you get your capital back and you get your return on investment. So for the special offer, we've started running it since December 2022. So this is January. By January 15, 2023, this offer will go back to 30% return on investment. And we know, like I said, we paid a lot of people last year, which they reinvested their money with us because we are legit. And we've been doing this over 4 years. There is no single default because we have the backing of Lagos State, and this is registered with Lagos State Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Cooperative. So our number is LSCS 18176. So we are not just running on our own, we have authority that back this thing up. So if you're investing with us, what are we giving you? We'll give you 4 documents. So we give you receipts, we give you deed of agreement. I like to explain more about this deed of agreement. We are doing real estate cashback on one of our products, which we call Lekki Pride 3. Lekki Pride 3 is on Ogombo Road in the area of Aja, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria, facing the 3rd road, which is Ogombo Road. So as I'm talking, I'll put all the videos so that you can see how this beautiful estate is. And the landed property there is a site and service for people that wants to buy land from us. So the 500 square meter is selling as high as 60 million naira. But you know what? We are calling our investors to come and invest in this estate. So if you're doing any investment with us in this period, we are doing Lekki Pride 3. So your investment goes into the landed property in Lekki Pride 3. And for the deed of agreement, so we use the land to serve as a collateral for the 12 months that your money will be with us. So after 12 months, we can return your money back to you with return on investment, and also we will collect our land from you. So one of the security that we give you is the deed of agreement. So we turn the money into square meter in the estate. So that is that for the deed of agreement, and that is the second security that we give you. We'll give you receipt one. The second one is the deed of agreement. The third one is investment certificate. Investment certificate, so we need to put everything in black and white. You see the ROI, the money that you put in, and will tell you this is the duration of the time that you will do this with us. So you can do 1 year, so if you are satisfied with our service, and you can even roll over. So maturity date is always 12 months. That is 1 year. So we give you investment certificate to back up your capital. Also, we will give you post-dated check. For all the investment you are doing with us, we'll give you post-dated check of the capital, that is your money, and the return on investment. So after 12 months, it's either you tender the post-dated check, or we wire, or we transfer your money back to you, either the capital or the return on investment. So we transfer everything to you, the capital and the return on investment. So number 4 security that we'll give you is the post-dated check. Post-dated check is your capital and the return on investment. So we've been doing this over 4 years with no single default. So with our track record, only last year we recorded over 5,000 clients, and we paid over 5 billion naira for people that actually key into all the last year that their money matured last year, all their investments matured last year. So, and there are some that they even roll over. All my clients that their investment matured last year all rolled over. So is what I want you to ponder on. This is it. Imagine you invest 200 million naira and you're getting 35% return on investment. In a year, you've made a whooping sum of 70 million naira on 200 million. And after the maturity day, that is 1 year, we give you your capital back and we give you your return on investment. So it's something maybe you can want to roll, but you can roll the 200 million back and you get a 70 million. You know that 70 million, you can use it to buy property. Think of it. Imagine you are doing it for 5 years, meaning that you can have 5 houses. You are using your return on investment, not your capital. Can you see how you can make your money work for you? Stop putting that money in bank. That money, the one that is that you fix it, how much is fixed deposit want to give you? The treasury bill, how much do you want to gain there? Stop putting that huge amount in the bank, because the bank are using your money without your consent. You know, that is why you will not see any return on investment putting your money in the bank. Instead of that, they will be deducting your money. They will charge you maintenance, VAT, everything. Imagine you put 1,000 there, they will deduct it until they deduct that money and nothing else, and your account will still be reading minus something. Is it that kind of investment you want to do? This is another year. This is January. We've been doing this for over 4 years. I have a lot of things that I can show you over and over again. My name is Olashile David, and I help people create wealth through what I know best, that is real estate. I am not talking to you about what I don't know about. I am not talking about something that doesn't exist. This is real estate. This is real. This is tangible asset. That is why I will come over and over again to invest in real estate. This is the one that if you don't want to buy blocks, if you don't want to buy house, if you don't want to buy land, you don't want to buy any cement, this is your money working for you without you lifting any fingers. What you just need to do, you do your due diligence. We have certificate that back it up. I can give it to you. Go to Lagos State, go and do your verification. Go to lands in Ikeja. check it whether we are legit or not. So we've been doing this, and you have a lot of things you will gain doing real estate cashback with us. So this offer will end 15th of January 2023. So 35% return on investment. It will end by this period. So everything will go back to 30% return on investment. So I want you to call the number showing on your screen. I will explain it to you over and over. Call me now. Call me. I work 24/7. Call me. I will explain everything to you so that you can see how this will be beneficial to you. We always, if I'm telling you to stay ahead of inflation, I'm not telling you to jump or you run. No. So how are you staying ahead of inflation? This is the time to invest. Don't procrastinate. This is the time to invest in real estate cashback. I know you've been coming across my channel. I will put the video that I've been doing so that you can see that this is not my first time. This is not the first video on real estate cashback. We've been doing this with no single default. My number is showing on the screen. My name is Olashile David once again, and I help people create wealth through real estate. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification. Follow us on all our social media handles at Salesville Property. Comment, like, share to your friends and family. Let them invest. So I am expecting your call.